Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this short guide, I'll show you how to mark a product as out of stock on Shopify, updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1, log into your Shopify admin and go to the Products tab on the left menu. Step 2, click on the product you want to mark as out of stock. You'll be taken to the product details page. Step 3, scroll down to the inventory section. Step 4, if the product has inventory tracking enabled, you'll see the current stock quantity. To mark it out of stock, change the quantity to 0. Step 5, click Save in the top right corner to apply the change. Optional, if you don't want customers to order when the item is out of stock, make sure the Continue Selling When Out of Stock checkbox is unchecked. Tip, if your product has variants, like different sizes or colors, make sure you update the inventory for each variant. And that's it. Your product is now marked as out of stock, and customers won't be able to order it unless you allow back orders. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.